Damaged or cracked car leather seats can easily ruin the clean, polished look of your vehicle. Fortunately, with the right tools and a few simple steps, you can restore them to like new condition yourself. Leather crack fillers effectively seal and repair cracks, preventing further damage to your leather surfaces. They restore the appearance of your leather, making it look smooth and as good as new. First, thoroughly clean the affected seat using a clean microfiber cloth. Then, use a grease and wax remover with another microfiber cloth to eliminate any greasy residue from the seat. Next, mask the surrounding areas with masking tape and a towel to protect them during the repair process. Wrap a hard rag around a sponge and rub it back and forth on the leather seat to loosen the surface. This helps make the area as smooth and uniform as possible. After preparing the surface, take a razor blade and carefully remove the damaged leather around the edges of the burn spot. This allows the filling agent to form a stronger and cleaner bond. Apply a generous layer of leather and vinyl heat-activated compound over the spot. Repeat this process several times to ensure the best, long-lasting results. Also, apply the same compound thoroughly on any damaged corners to ensure even coverage. Next, use a high-quality leather filler to repair cracks in the leather. Apply it carefully with a spatula or your fingers for a smooth, seamless finish. Then, use a heat gun to properly cure the filler, ensuring a secure bond. After that, level the surface again with the sponge and rag for a flawless texture. Reapply the filler if needed to achieve a smoother, more uniform finish, and repeat this method for other damaged areas. Once the repairs are complete, match and apply the leather color formula paint over the entire seat using a miniature air gun. Slowly build up the layers to evenly cover the surface. Finally, use a heat gun to dry the paint. By following this effective method, you can properly repair damaged and cracked car leather seats. Using a leather and vinyl repair kit is the easiest and most effective way to restore a damaged car leather seat. The 3M leather and vinyl repair kit is specifically designed to fix tears, burns, and cuts, bringing your car seats back to a like-new condition. It includes a detailed color matching guide to help you mix the perfect shade. This ensures a seamless blend with your seat's original leather for a natural, professional finish. With the right products and a few simple steps, you can easily restore your car's leather seats to their original beauty. This will not only extend their lifespan, but also keep your vehicle's interior looking its best and shiny.